Oh my gosh. Okay, I forgot one thing. I'm sorry to make another video. You guys are going to be sick of hearing from me, but I hope these are helping. Okay, I'm here in my discussion form, so I'm going to go down to my guided practice discussion boards. Um, let's say I'm going to post in 2C. I don't have anything posted here, and this isn't an active group, so that's why there's nothing here. But I did want to show you what I mentioned in my little instant message this morning, this equation tool. This is really helpful for math. It's really hard to communicate your work in math when you don't have this, and we haven't had it in the past. So this is something I'm really excited about. So let's say you are trying to express, you're not going to use a lot of it here. I'll just open it up and show you. So you're not going to use most of what's in here at all because you don't need all of it. But what's really going to be helpful to you is this fraction, the square root, and maybe, like the exponential superscript. You can also get help with parentheses, and here's all these other symbols, but the division one is helpful because you don't have that on your keyboard. But the rest of them, you're probably not going to need. But if you're trying to express, x plus 1 over 3, for example, that's really hard to do effectively without this equations editor. So equals, let's say, 6. There you go. You could do a superscript to make it squared. And then when you hit insert, you're not going to see anything, and that's really confusing. But when you post, and you can always go back and edit. So when I post, then it shows up as the equation in my post. So that's really, really helpful. Another tip that I wanted to give you that's actually comes from one of your classmates that messaged me yesterday and asked if this was okay. He wanted to just like take a picture of his work by hand. So like he had worked out a problem with and shown his work, and he took a picture and he posted the picture on the discussion board, or that's what he wanted to do, which is totally okay. Like as long as you're showing work and everybody can see. Just this is how you post a picture here. You can insert an image and you can find it on your computer and upload it, and it'll insert it right into the body of the message. Or I wanted to show you this little tool right here too. This is where you can insert YouTube videos or a link or an embed code. I don't know if that you'll have as much use for that as I do, but that's a really neat feature that you can use too. Anyway, okay, so that should help you with your posts moving forward, and I hope that you guys have great meetings this week. Thanks.